Hello, 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 beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. Diva Risse here. Hey. So in this video, we're doing an unboxing from this random company. I don't know how random it is, but it's random to me because I just found out about it. And let me tell you who they are. So the website is called Savory.com, but I guess they're called Weee, like Weee, like when you on a screen. They have Chinese products and Hispanic products that you can't get at your normal store, but you can get them online on this website. So I tried them out and let me show you. Let me pick up this box. Let me pick up this box, girl. It's a little bit big. Ugh. See? Ow. Whee! So let me show you what's in here. We opening it together. I didn't even look yet. Let's see. Before I show you, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Subscribe, girl. Let's get into these items. So what I got are all snacks. Just a whole bunch of snacks. Snackety snack for the snacks. So if you know me, you know one of my favorite snacks are Lay's potato chips. Lay's. Plain Lay's, sour cream and onion, and barbecue. Lay's are my favorite. So they had Lay's on here. Different ones I never even heard of. So look at this first one. Lay's, honey. Fried crab flavor. What? Fried crab flavor Lay's. I like the color of the bag though. Let's see the next Lay's. Roasted chicken wing flavor. Oh, what if it really tastes like chicken wings? Look at the little flats. They know the vibe. Flats all day. Okay, flats. Okay, the next one, Lay's. Uh-oh. No name Lay's. I think this is the sea salt flavor though. Sea salt Lay's, girl. Probably tastes like the regular plain Lay's that we know here. Then we got cucumber flavor Lay's, girl. Cucumber? This should be real summertime. This should be like a summertime flavor, like real just airy and light. I got 2 cucumbers. Oh, I think we have to buy 2 cucumbers. So since we're on chips, let's stay on chips and let's get into this. We got some baked shrimp chips. Shrimp chips, girl. Wheat puff snacks. Okay. Calabi shrimp chips, the original Japanese crunchy shrimp snack for more than 50 years. Has become an American favorite too. Made from wild-caught sea shrimps. This deliciously baked snack captures authentic flavors including hot garlic, yuzu, and black pepper, wasabi, and the original. Enjoy sharing this delightfully crunchy treat with your family and friends. Okay, we gonna see about you, shrimp chip. Then we have some curved puffs, corn puff snack, cheese flavor corn puffs. Then we got some, I don't know. I think these are like cheese doodles. You see that picture? Like Cheetos kind of, but the Asian flavor brands. I don't know, girl. We don't know, but we gonna try them. Ugh. And this is the last chip. I was gonna say this is the last pair of chips. This is the last bag of chips. Melty cheese pizza potato chips. I don't know, but this sounds real interesting. Cheesy pizza? Melty cheese pizza. Okay, cheese. The next thing we got here are some sticks. Everything right here is sticks. So we got some sweet potato sticks. I'm thinking they're gonna taste like sweet potato fries. That's what I'm thinking in my head, but who knows, girl? We're gonna know soon enough. Then we got some yan chocolate cream cracker sticks with dip. That look good. I hope it's milk chocolate. Oh, it says duck. Is it duck sticks? Let's see, it say duck. And then we got some pokey. Strawberry cream covered biscuits. I think I might have seen this here in the US, but I'm not sure. I never tried it though. So I got these interesting looking things. They look like they were gonna be nice and soft online, but they look a little hard. Umbrella biscuit parapluie. They was giving me cinnamon roll vibes. That's why I got them, but we're gonna see. They kind of like hard when you touch them. So we're gonna see. Then we got some ginger chews, girl. ginger chews, original ginger chews. I like ginger, so I was like, let me try these. A little snackety. But you can't do too much ginger because, girl, that'll burn your throat. Your whole throat be like on fire. And last but not least, we got some peach gummies. Peach gummy candy. Hope these are good. They soft. So let's start with the fried crab flavor. This is how the bag looks. Open them up. Girl, why are they so hard to open? Why I can't open it? Let me get a scissor, because you're supposed to be able to open it like this. All right, y'all, I got my scissor and I split it open like that. Girl, smell like the ocean. Smell like the ocean. Let's see. Look at it. Okay. Looks like a normal chip. Nothing out of the norm. Smell like some spices. Why my mouth watering? Girl, why does it taste like a whole crab? It's like I'm eating a crab leg. The gag. This tastes like crab. Okay, these are good. You should try these. These are good. Cucumber flavor time. Cucumber. Ooh, smell like vinegar. Cucumber flavor. Here's the chippy chip. Let's try it. It's cucumber. Girl, this is good. This is also good. This is good too. Now we got some, I don't know, but I think it's sea salt. Now we got some plain Jane sea salt Lay's, okay? Let's give it a smell. This one don't smell like anything. Oh, we got a big chip. We got a big chip. Okay, this is how the chip looking. Okay. Tastes like a regular chip. It don't taste like a plain Lay to me, but it tastes like a regular chip. Not bad, but my plain Lays are better. All right, the last bag of Lays are the roasted chicken wing flavor. And they ridged, honey, they are ridged. Interesting, smells kind of sweet, like brown sugar bag. Okay, look, a nice ridged chip. Ridgy. Still smells sweet, let's see. What did I look at? I don't know what it's giving. It's giving ginger and spice, like seasoned chips. Let me get another one. They good though. They just not giving roasted chicken wing. They giving, oh, I got a big one. They giving stank breath, but they giving. Oh, I feel it. Too big for my little mouth, girl. I like it. It's a little bit spicy. It got a little kickity kick. Okay, that's good. Y'all need to try this one. This one good too. Let's try these. Shrimp chips. I baked shrimp chips, girl. That's a big bag. This is giving shrimp. Shrimp. Oh, it's little. Okay, a little bit. I'm scared. Oh, it's real light and airy. Girl, it's so light you can't even taste them. I'm spilling it. It's not giving me shrimp. It's smelling like shrimp. Oh, there it is. You gotta eat a few. These are good. These are, yes, I like these. These are good. Next, we got the Corn puff snacks, cheese flavor. Corn puff snacks. Little curds. Smell like cheese. I don't like this one. It's like I almost give you a stale flavor on the outside, but then it gets cheesy. I don't like that. What's the expiration date? 1/31/2022. Okay. You could pass one of these. All right, now we're gonna try the cheese dookie dukes. That's what I'm calling them. They're not really puffs. They like cheese crunches. Cheese crunches. Okay, smell like cheese again. Cheese again. Cheese again. Here we go. Nice cheese. Oh, it's sweet. Why is it sweet? Why did cheese sweet? How it look when you bite it? I don't know about this. It's not the one either. Y'all got that one. I don't like that one. I don't think I like sweet cheese. The last bag of chips. Oh, the melty cheese. Melty cheese. Pizza potato chips. Oh. Oh, smell like pizza. It's my pizza. Oh my goodness, it has pizza. It's like cheesy. Do y'all see the cheese? Let's see how it tastes. Girl, this tastes good, but it don't. Let me see. I don't think it's giving cheese pizza. It's giving flavor though. This is good. It's not giving me cheese pizza, but yes, this is a go. You can try this one. Real good, real flavorful. Girl, I'm about to gain 10 pounds messing with y'all eating all these snacks. Let's go on to the sticks. Sweet potato sticks. Ooh, I look greasy, honey. They shining, 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 shining. Yo, can y'all tell that they shining? They are glistening. Smell like sweet potatoes. Why they sweet? They coated in sugar. Sweet potato, sugar, rapeseed oil. What is that? Palm oil, rice oil, and oligo Savory. I don't know what that is. This is not it. Now see how hard that is? Look. Not for me. Not it. It's like sugar. Let's try the Yang chocolate cream when I read it. Oh, we got 2 compartments. Okay. Let's try one. Giraffe, longest neck. Oh, this is like for the kids. Show a picture. Let me move my little finger. Look. Look. How cute. Barks underwater. A seal. I gotta look at all of them. Rhinoceros. It has a nose horn. That how you spell rhinoceros? Cause child, it look different to me. Zebra, fancy stripes. And one more, I'm gonna do one more. Oh, another giraffe, longest neck. All right, let's eat the longest neck of the giraffe right here. Dip it. Do a little zip. The cookie is good. The chocolate. It's almost giving me Nutella vibes, and I don't like Nutella. All those Nutella people out there, I don't like Nutella. I don't like hazelnut for real. But this is good. This is good. It's a good snack. It's probably for the kids too, because they got the little learning on there. Winner, chicken dinner. Winner, chicken dinner. We almost done. We're gonna try these next. Ooh. Oh, they open normal. Okay. They got a box. It's a box in here. Is it like a whole box? I don't need a whole box. Looky, they're little packs. That's cute. All right, let's open you up, girl. Pour it. Oh, it smells really, really sweet, like strawberry. Pink girl. This is cute. Strawberry. This is good. This is good. Strawberry biscuits. These are good. These I recommend. The next item is this one, umbrella cookies. I'm a little nervous about this one. I don't know why. Try all this other stuff. I tried all this other stuff, girl. What am I nervous for this for? Why it smell like something I know? I don't know. But it's a little cup. You see, can you tell? It's like a little zip. Super cute. Oh. Oh. This don't have any flavor. We're supposed to eat these with because it tastes like nothing at all. All right, so we got some ginger chews. Girl, maybe I should do the peach first because I might not be able to taste the peach after the ginger. Little packets like such. I'm gonna take a little bite. Spicy. If you got a sore throat, get you some ginger chews. Got a clogged nose, get you some ginger chews. It will clear you right up. Clear you right up. Trying to tell ya. All right, we got some peach gummy candy. Here it goes. Ow, it's soft. I'm excited for this one. I hope it's good. Oh, it's big. I wasn't expecting it to be thick. It smells so good. It's so squishy. Girl. It's not giving me peach. You could pass on this one. You don't need this one. You don't need that one. All right, you guys, we're done trying all the snacks from Weee. Now, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all gonna try them and be random like me or whatever. If you already tried them, let me know and tell me in the description. But right now, I'm really liking the fried crab flavor Lay's, the cucumber Lay's, the chicken wing flavor Lay's, these, what's these? Pizza chips. Girl. The shrimp chips. are good too. Can you believe that? Mad random. And oh, and these favorite. Everything else can stay where they came from. But girl, that was fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Diva Risse Style, honey. Yes. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Toodles.